My name's David Fodel. I'm an electronic media artist based here in Lafayette, Colorado. I am going to tell you about an artwork called Simmering. The thread started with an invitation to do a residency at Signal Culture in Loveland, Colorado, where I was hoping to explore vector graphics using some vintage analog processing gear. I'd had some interesting results that were looking like tangled fibers that I shared with the people at Feed. The thin, scribbly, fibrous quality of the lines is a nice contrast to the scale of the building and the frenetic quality of the activities inside the Feed Media Art Center. It was one of those happy accidents where everything comes together, and I'm really glad that the people at Feed were willing to help put this together. I think it's a perfect fit for the Fibers and Wires show at the Feed Media Art Center.